In our previous class, we have done downloading process of R and RStudio. So please all participants, if you have both in your laptop, please type if you have downloaded, not installed, type downloaded both. Please all participants reply if you have downloaded R and RStudio, type downloaded both. And if you have installed both tools, installed and downloaded both. Please all participants must reply so that I can move to next step according to your uh, step. Okay, Miss Dina, please open your screen. Show me your screen. Okay, today I am going to start from zero. First we download and then we install R in our PC or laptop. So please share your screen so that I can. Okay, Veena, you both have R and RStudio. Okay, please close your screen. You have both R and RStudio. Please, you have both have R and RStudio. Okay. Okay, let me share my screen. So today we will do downloading and installation process of R and RStudio. Hopefully all participants have successfully downloaded in previous class. Let me close. Okay. Open location where you have saved these two tools. I have saved in drive E. All participants please open drive E or where you have saved your file in your PC. In my case, I have both files. One is R 4.4.2 and second RStudio 4.12.2024. So I already have these two tools in my PC. Now I want to install. For installation, first you need to install R 4.4.2. Click on this button. Please all participants follow me and click on this setup. Okay, no, it is showing you a message. When you click on R, it will give you a message. Do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Click on Yes button. When you click on Yes, it will again ask you about language, which language you want to use. By default, it is English. So click on OK. Now, here is another page, setup information about setup. If you want to read this information, read it, otherwise you can ignore and click on next button. When you click on next button, it will show you another page and give you a browse button. It's mean if you want to change location for installation, you can click browse button and can change, but by default it is selected as C, so you don't need to change its location anyway. Click on next button. It is showing me I already have this, so would you like to install that folder anyway? Although I have this file, but I am also going to install, so click on yes button. When I click on yes button, it gives me three options: main files, 64-bit file, message translations. Click next button, click on no, accept default, and next button, next button. No installation process have been started. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, or maybe 1 minute. Yes. No, if you want know your setup is complete, so click on finish button. Okay. All participants please type done. Now I have installed R successfully. No. After installation, you can get an icon of R on your desktop, like here. Here is the icon of R. If you have this icon in your in your desktop, R 4.4.2, like this, please type done. I have this icon, so I am typing here done. Please all participants confirm so that I can move to next step. If any participant facing issues or difficulties, you can share your screen or you can send me a message. Please all participant done. Zahirul Jannat, have you done this step?
I had internet problem. Now it is running. Now I am trying.
You downloaded?
Yes, and I
But
have started
if you
installing.
have downloaded, there is no internet issue for installation. You can
Um,
install it
Previous
without
time it shows in.
without internet.
Okay.
For downloading, you need internet, but installation there is no need of internet. Please install so that we can move to next step. For training, because it is a training and we will perform each and every step live, so we need this tool for practice. If you don't have this tool, you are unable to do practice. So please all participant install and type done. If you face any difficulty or any issue, you can share your screen. I will resolve this issue on your screen. One, two, three, four participant message is done. Please all participant reply. Fahima Ahmed, have you done?
Sorry, I found this one my launchpad, but I cannot find in my desktop.
Have you
Uh,
installed it successfully?
Maybe because my one is Mac. And could you please tell me how can
Okay,
I do?
you need to download Mac version for this. Can you share your screen?
I'll try. Just a minute.
Okay. I have allowed you.
Type করি।
Are you sharing screen?
It's actually there is some problem. It's okay. Maybe I'll do that later.
Okay, you can do download by using RCran website. Type RCran, then it will give you option R for Window, R for Mac. You need to download R for Mac, then it will work.
I
Okay.
think it has already downloaded. I think so.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Try to install. Otherwise, you can share your screen. I will resolve your issue on your screen. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Although maximum participant have installed R programming. No, please, all participant click on this R and check it is working properly. When you click on it, it shows you a display without any error. In my case, when I click on R, it will show me, it gives me a page like this. So please, I have this page. I am typing here yes. If you have page like this, type yes. Please all participants reply. If you click on R, it shows you a page like this. Okay, Muhammad Nafis showing error. Muhammad Nafis, please can you share your screen? Muhammad Nafis, please share your screen.
Okay, wait a minute. I have to quit and reopen the window. Just give me a second.
Are you ready for sharing screen? Please here is the share button with the green box and black arrow sign. Have you found? Muhammad Nafis, are you ready for screen sharing?
Yes.
Okay, please share. Okay. Please, where is error?
You can see this one.
Show me full screen, full view of this page.
Just a second.
You have Mac.
Yes.
Okay. Maximize this R screen. Yes.
I just installed the R, not RStudio yet.
Okay, don't worry. Your R is properly working. If you type here
Okay.
5 plus 5 and press enter. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5. Press enter. Yes, it's working
Yes.
properly. It is, I think, adjust caps lock. But don't worry, there is no any technical issue. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
now we are going to install RStudio. So After checking it is properly working, click on cross button, press no. Now we want to install RStudio. So please all participants open the app which you have downloaded in yesterday class. So in my case there is RStudio. Click on this app. When you click on it, it will give you a message. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Your answer should be yes. When you click on yes, it will give you another page like this. Welcome to RStudio setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of RStudio. It is recommended that you close all other applications before starting setup. This will make it possible to update relevant system files without having to reboot your computer. So click next to continue. Click next button. When you click on next button, it will give you an installation page. So choose installation location. But by default it is C, so you don't need to change this location. Just click on install button. When you click on install button, the installation process will start and it may take 1 or 2 minutes. So please all participants install RStudio. If you have installed, type installed RStudio. Okay, 2 participants have installed. So please all participants, when you have installed, reply me installed RStudio. Click on finish button. Now my answer is installed RStudio. No, maximum participants have RStudio in PC or laptop. No. From where we get RStudio app in our PC, there is no icon in desktop. Only R is visible on desktop. So for RStudio, you need to come on search bar of your window. Here is the search bar button. At the bottom or taskbar, here is search bar. Click on search bar and type here RStudio. When you type here RStudio, it will give you an app, RStudio app. Click on this button, RStudio app. When you click on it, it will give you a preview RStudio from Poised, and here is its version name and copyright, and it will take few seconds and then it will show you the preview of RStudio. So please open RStudio. If you can see RStudio in your laptop, successfully type done. If you are facing any issue, RStudio is not working properly or giving you some notification or some other messages, please you can discuss or you can share your screen. No, in my case, RStudio is visible. So please, if you have these screens like this, please type done. If you are facing some other messages or notification or any specific note or option, you can discuss with me. If you have opened it successfully, type done. Your mics are open. If you have any confusions or any error or unable to proceed next step, you can immediately open your mic and let me know. Okay, maximum participant have done. Now in my case, 3 screens are visible in my PC. So please type 3. If you can see 4 screen, type 4. Now in my case, there are 4 screens. If you have 3 screen, type 3. If you have 4 screen, type 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 screen in RStudio. Okay, some answer is 3, some answer is 4. Okay. Now if you can see here, there are 2 buttons. Here is minimize button and maximize button. If you click on maximize button, it will show you 4 screens. If again click you maximize button, it will show you 3 screens. Again click 4 screen, again click 3 screens. Zahrul Jannat, have you done 4 screens? Yes, Muhammad Jallo, you can share your screen.
Still, I have 3 screens.
Okay, click on
Okay.
maximize button on screen number 1.
I have maximized.
Okay, please give me a minute. Can you share your screen?
Yes.
Okay, first let share screen to Muhammad Jallo. Muhammad Jallo, please share your screen. Muhammad Jallo, it is showing you RStudio is now available. I think it is showing you have older version of R and RStudio. So before moving to next step, first you need to install latest version of R as well as RStudio, because you have older version of R 4.4.1 and also have older version of RStudio. So click on uh, quiet and download. Click on quiet and download. First download this latest version. Because Muhammad Jallo already have R and RStudio, I think have installed before 1 or 2 months ago. Okay, here is the latest version which is released on 16 December 2024. So download this version. Yes, your downloading have been started and maybe take time 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, while it is installing, you need to come again on RStudio. Please show me your RStudio. Please show RStudio. Minimize it. Yes. Open RStudio. Open RStudio. Please RStudio. RStudio. Open. Yes, this one. Okay. Now click on cross it. Close this message by clicking on this cross button. No, please open RStudio. Don't, no. Your downloading is in process. You need to wait. Click on RStudio app. Please click on RStudio app. Close this website and open RStudio app. Minimize this app. Minimize. Continue downloading. Please minimize this app and open RStudio. Okay, here you need to come. Here is the cross button. Click on cross button on this message. Close. Okay, now come on screen number 4. Sorry. Please show me RStudio. Close this one, please. Minimize it. Minimize it. Show me your RStudio app. Here is your RStudio, please. And listen me carefully. Please close it. Yes. Cross. Okay. No, please don't download it again and again. You have already started downloading. Minimize this. Click on cross button just and close this message. Again open RStudio. Please, no, don't click anywhere. Here is the cross button. Click on cross button and close this message. Yes. Minimize it. Open R. I think you need to download, install, and then your R will work. So please download this, install, and then let me know. I will update from R after downloading. Okay. Please download, and after downloading, then let me know. Now I am sharing my screen. Yes, please. Next. Install. Wait, please. It will take time. Okay, click on finish button. And have you installed R? Also install R. Yes, okay, good. Okay, you don't need to install. Okay, now open RStudio again. Please open RStudio, not from here. Come on search bar of your window. Yes, search here, RStudio app. Yes, click on this. Here is RStudio app. Okay, here is screen number 1, 2. So come on screen number 1, and here is the tool button. Tool button. Click on tool button. Please click on tool button. Yes, last option, global option. and here is a change button right side. Click on change and select 4.4.2. OK. OK. Apply. Apply and OK. And close this RStudio. And open again from search bar. And open again from search bar. OK. Now you have the latest version of RStudio and R. OK, thank you. Now I'm sharing my screen. So please all participants open RStudio. And after opening RStudio, you need to confirm you have 4 screens. If you click on this button, it will show you 3 screens. If you again click on this button, it will show you 4 screens. Now, you have 4 screens in your RStudio. So in our previous class, we already have discussed what is the difference between R and RStudio. What is the difference between R and RStudio? So we have discussed in detail about R and RStudio. So I am giving a brief introduction about R. For example, R is the engine and RStudio is the frame of a car. RStudio is the frame and R is the engine. If you need more detail, you can watch a demo class for more detail about difference between R and RStudio. So now today and next all days we will work on RStudio, but basically we are working in R. Here is the R which is incorporated into RStudio. So there are 4 screens in R. Screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3 and screen number 4. Screen number 1, 2, 3, 4. When I say you please check screen number 1, you need to focus on screen number 1. When I say please check screen number 2, you need to focus on this screen. When I say please check screen number 3, you need to focus on this screen. And when I say please check screen number 4, you need to focus on last screen. Although these screens have these windows have some specific name. For example, okay, before moving next step, I want to give a vocabulary word, hashtag. As R is a programming language, as English, Urdu, Hindi, Farsi, Chinese, R is also a language, but it is the language of computer. So each language have vocabulary. Similarly, R language also have vocabulary. So here is a first word, hashtag. Hashtag is a number sign, but in the language of R, hashtag is known as heading. Hashtag mean heading. Comments. When you give hashtag with any line, R will consider it as a heading. R will consider it as a notes. R will consider it as a sentence. So when you write a line with hashtag, it is heading. And when you line without hashtag, we will work on the screen with hashtag and without hashtag. For example, I am typing here 5 plus 5. When I run line without hashtag, it is script. It is script. And when I run line with heading with hashtag, it is heading. So here is heading. Number sign mean heading. So I want to give heading screen number 1. Heading screen number 2. Heading screen number 3. Again heading screen number 4. Screen number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Screen number 1, screen number 2 or screen number 3. Screen number 1, although these files have some specific names, but I have given numbers for our convenience. So the name of screen number 1 is script file. Script file. The name of screen number 2 is console. The name of screen number 3 is global environment. The name of screen number 4 is plots or packages. The name of these 4 screens. Screen number 1 is script file, screen number 2 console, screen number 3 global environment, screen number 4 plot, and screen number 4 plot and packages. So these are the name of these screens. Okay, now in our next class we will work on what is the working of screen number 1, what is the working of screen number 2, how screen number 3 work, and how screen number 4 work. We will discuss in our next class, tomorrow class, but now I want to give a sketch or flow chart about 15 days training. In our 50 days training, first we will work on R programming. We will learn R within specific data, within specific ground. We will learn driving of R on a specific file. After we will learn this training about 6 days. 6 days we will work on R programming. We will learn R language. After 6 days, we move to statistics. Then we will apply statistical analysis in R. Okay, so be easy and with patience, you will do each and every step of course content, and many more after this training you will be able to perform. And if you have any question or an issue, you can discuss. You can send message or you can open your mic.
What will be our data format? As I am working with PEG data, I have CSV file data, EDF file data.
Yes, you can import in R, but in our first classes, we will work on Excel file. Excel file. And after 6 days, you will be able to import each and every type of file in R. If you want to import PDF file, you can import. If you want to work on a Word file, you can import Word file. But statistical data, best option is Excel file. I will provide you Excel file for 6-day practice, and after 6 days, you can do analysis on your own dataset. Okay. Okay, thank you. And in our next class tomorrow, we will work on these 4 windows, the working of these 4 screen. We will check what screen number 1 can do, what screen number 2 can do, 3 and 4, and some other task about what are packages and how to import Excel file in R programming. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.